Welcome to Joseph Oaks, a brand new Pulte community on Jacksonville's north side. With just 118 home sites, Joseph Oaks offers open concept floor plans with 2 to 3 car garage options. Enjoy a beautiful community park with swings and plenty of space to relax, play, and connect with neighbors. Plus, when you build with Pulte, you can personalize your new home with a one-on-one design appointment to select the finishes and details you love. And when it's time to head out, you're conveniently located near shopping and dining at River City Marketplace, Jacksonville International Airport, and major employers in downtown Jacksonville. Because finding the right home isn't just about where you live, it's about feeling confident in what you're coming home to. When you choose Pulte, you're choosing more than a new home. You're getting the confidence of our 1-2-5-10 limited warranty. Our 1-year coverage ensures your home is built to quality standards. 2-year covers plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and other mechanical systems. Our 5-year coverage truly sets us apart from our competitors. With 5-year protection against water infiltration and internal leaks, 10-year covers the structure of your home, including load-bearing walls, beams, trusses, and more, and it's all transferable to any future homeowner. Discover a new home, a convenient location, and a community designed for the way you want to live. Joseph Oaks is now selling. Come explore our available homes and home sites today.